Hey y'all, I have a new mattress, guest mattress. It's just a foldable, like a trifold one. I decided to get this for guests that comes over. So this box is 14 by 14. Let's see how long this is. I'm kind of skeptical that a whole queen mattress is in this box. This is about almost 30 inches. So let's see how it comes out of the box. Lay the box on the side of the room, remove back from mattress, rip it up, and open it. Allow bed to fully recover before adding bed liners. Box spring platform, bed, or foundation. Did they send the right one? Did I pick the right one? Because it's supposed to fold. And it comes with a little baggie. Okay, maybe it's supposed to like open up to this size. Using force, tear bag along the stitch line. Do not use knife or scissors as it may result in damaging your mattress. Where's the stitch line? I don't see a stitch line. Ay, ay, ay. So it's this way. Okay. So it's about 56 width. And now I can use scissors. and this is supposed to be 6 inches. It does not look 6 inches right now. So maybe in a couple days, or by the end of the day, it will inflate all the way. Right now it's about 4 inches. And it's supposed to be 6. So let's see what it does. Let it breathe. All right. That's probably not the best measurement. Let's just get a rough estimate. So it's about 80. I forgot what this was. 80 and 57. All right, so I'm just gonna let it breathe. That's amazing that this thing came out of that little box. Yay.